In this episode, we're checking out some Nero d'Avola and seeing which one's going to go better with the steak I'm serving tonight. All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today we're back in Sicily. Well, technically we're in Rhode Island, but we're drinking wines from Sicily. I bought 2 Nero d'Avolas to see with the intent of serving one or both later today with steak for some guests that we have coming over, but I haven't tried either of these, and I'm purposely going in a little bit of a non-traditional way because there's going to be other things on the table that are a little lighter, so I didn't want to really serve like a big old Cabernet or a giant Brunello or something that was really, really heavy. So got 2 Nero d'Avolas. We're going to see which one is better. Both of them are well, I should have checked before filming. Both of them are 2019 vintage, maybe? Yes, both of them are 2019 vintage. Both of them, I believe, are 100% Nero d'Avola. And, let's see how similar or different they are. So the first one we are trying is from Mary Taylor. You can see her name on the label. And, vines were brought here a long time ago by the Greeks, but they're following a family tradition and making this wine. We always like hearing that. Nice light color, right? Pretty, and which is what you would expect. These wines are going to be more like magenta and purpley than sort of, dark black. This smells light, red cherries, and that it's going to have some minerality. Okay. So it's very bright. It's tart. Cherries, cranberries, raspberries. Nice, so naturally nice acid, right? If it's tart, it's going to have some good acid. The minerality I didn't necessarily taste, but this is a pretty wine. I don't think, well, we'll see what the other one's like. I wouldn't necessarily match it up with steak. This is going to be something that's going to be better with lighter meats. But it's a really pretty wine. It's kind of delicious. Miscast if we're going steak. So this wine, I was gonna say it's light. If it tastes light, it was 13% in alcohol. It's gonna be the same thing, 13% in alcohol. So very drinkable. If you like a Pinot Noir, I'll put a close-up of the bottle. You'll like this wine. Okay, next, Bacaro. Sicilia Nero d'Avola, 2019. Denominazione di origine controllata. The Doc G, baby. This guy's more purple than the guy on your right. Oh. Okay, so this is gorgeous nose. Very, very dark Pinot. Very, very easy for you to say, Chris. Let's start over. Similar, reminiscent of a Sonoma-based Pinot Noir. So Pinot Noirs that are much more full-bodied and spice, loaded with some spice. So in this case, I'm getting black cherries, red cherries, black cherries. Autumn spices. So let's call it. I'm gonna call it cinnamon, but maybe it's almost that. It's almost a little bit of that Dr. Pepper, So it's a spice mix. This has a great nose, I'll tell you. No spit cup as I'm scared of all the light colors in this new dining room right now. So this actually has some tannins on it which will be good with a fattier meat. I think this one's definitely the winner for tonight. This is delicious. This is really delicious. Huh. I don't know that I expected this to be so so aromatic and pretty. Yeah, we're definitely going here. I'm getting some graphite, some violet notes, black cherries, a little bit of tannin, a little bit of mouth drying, but that'll go away when we're eating some steak. And I think we found the winner. So both of these are very, I would recommend them highly, okay? Get out there, explore some Sicilian wine, some more Nero d'Avola. This one's gonna be better with heavier meals. This one's gonna be better with a light meal. So, hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for stopping by. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want to see on the channel, what you want to know more about. Maybe even something you think could be funny for me to drink because it's so horrible. I'm up for that too. So, don't be shy, don't hold back. And thanks again for joining. Cheers.